going to read Taking a Bath with the Dog by Scott Mention. Taking a bath with the dog and other things that make me happy. I miss your smile today, Sweet Pea. What would make you happy? I don't know. What makes you happy? Taking a bath. What makes you happy? Counting. Do you see what he's counting? He's counting the tree rings. The tree rings can tell you how old a tree is. What makes you happy? Running around. What makes you happy? Shoes. Let's count how many shoes he has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And one in his head. 11. We can count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, plus one more. 11. What makes you happy? Playing with my hair. That's a lot of hair. What makes you happy? Digging. Does anyone know what this animal is? This is a mole. And moles like to dig in the ground. What makes you happy? Stripes. See, his clothes have a lot of stripes. She's wearing stripes. Oh, the cat has stripes. If you look, his stripes make a pattern. What makes you happy? Sleeping upside down. Does anyone know what this is? This is a bat. What makes you happy? Smiling. So this is the moon. And if you look at the moon, they say there's a man in the moon because the craters on the surface of the moon look like a face from far away. She's thinking. Let's see what she's going to say. Sweet Pea, you're smiling. Did you find out what makes you happy? Yes, I'm happy when I tickle my baby brother, jump rope, bake cookies with faces, ride my bike, chew peas one at a time, make a wish, stay up late, paint on eggs, make faces, hold my breath underwater, stick finger puppets on my toes, sing, slurp spaghetti, look at my reflection, dance with my shadow, play dress up, sit in my dad's chair, blow bubbles, drink tea with grandma, play drums, pretend I'm a monster, swim at night, lick sprinkles off the ice cream, and I'm happy when I'm taking a bath with the dog. Mom, you're smiling. You must be happy too. So why do you think her mom is smiling? She's smiling because Sweet Pea is happy. And what do we send our stories over? The end.